Well, things just got a little interesting. Turns out, where'd the trail go? Where's it at? I don't know. Where'd it go? Red blaze on that tree. So I gotta cross. I gotta cross that. That don't look like fun. That could be dangerous. Look, it's over top of this waterfall. I gotta walk over that waterfall. All right, I'm not doing a walk by for this because I'm by myself and I don't have cell service. I don't want to risk any injuries or anything bad happening. So I'll get back to you when I cross this waterfall. Fingers crossed. Wow, this is nice. Well, this is Pavia's Overlook. See all that? Yeah, I just fell in it. I'm covered in mud. I'm covered in mud right now. That was not fun. Oh well. I want to show you this cool waterfall though. I'll get over it. I brought extra socks and extra shoes. I didn't think I was gonna need extra pants. All right, well, I made it back to my vehicle. Tell you what, I'm pretty proud of myself completing that trip. It was my first solo hike of the year, and I'm not in that great a shape. And I wear an Apple Watch so I can track my miles, and I'll let you know here in a minute how many miles I did. But oh no, that was an awesome hike. Beautiful park. I'm surprised there wasn't that many people. There's 2 cars parked here now, but there wasn't any when I got here, and I didn't see anybody out on the trail. So I mean, I want to go over some things that I really liked about the trail. I love that Beaver Creek, following Beaver Creek down, crossing that waterfall, even falling. Even though I fell, it's kind of funny. I mean, those things are going to happen when you're out on the trail. What else? That overlook was awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it yourselves. I'm gonna make my ride home. Oh, another thing, let's see here, 7.4 miles I did. Ain't killing it, I've done more before, but like I said, I'm still not in the best shape. But 7.4 miles, 15,078 steps, and 113 flights climbed. So then I, like always, I got a stamp, blue knob stamp in my Pennsylvania State Parks and State Forest passport. I got my stamp for Blue Knob State Park. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments, and tune in next week, see where we're going next.